heaps, plenty of things are left, but I just want to address inshallah last thing in 5 minutes inshallah, and then we want to open the floor for the people, because this last point is very crucial, very crucial. You know what? These murabbis, they tell you, हम तो वही कलमा पढ़ते हैं, हमारा तो कलमा वही है, और देखो लोगों ने चिश्ती रसूलुल्लाह के कलमे पढ़वा लिए, हमने तो अपने कलमे नहीं पढ़वाए. Let me ask this question to Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's son, Bashir Ahmad MA. In the book, pay attention, in the book in which Mirza Bashir Ahmad MA is telling you position of the Jamaat Ahmadiyya. That is the book. Okay, now watch this one, inshallah, and then we can open the floor. Okay, let me put it on the screen. Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Review of religion, Kalimatul Fasl, page number 158 by Bashir Ahmad MA. The book which is telling you Jamaat's official position. Please pay attention. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's son says, एतराज करता है कौन? लाहौरी जमात. लाहौरी जमात एतराज करता है कि अगर मोहम्मद सल्लम के बाद कोई और नबी है तो इसका कलमा बनाओ. Mirza's son says that people are raising objection if there is a prophet after Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, i.e. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, then you need to make his kalima. Then he says, नादान इतना नहीं सोचता कि मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह का नाम कलमा में इसलिए रखा गया कि आप नबियों के सरताज और खातमन नबीयीन हैं, और आपका नाम लेने से बाकी सब नबी खुद अंदर आ जाते हैं. हर एक का अलहदा नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. He says that when we say Muhammadur Rasulullah, it covers all the prophets, i.e., understand this point. For example, we believe that Isa and Musa are prophets. Do we say in the kalima? No, they are covered. He says, likewise, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is covered in Muhammadur Rasulullah. Let's continue. Now the kufr is gonna come. Hazrat Masih Maud ke aane se ek fark paida ho gaya. He says, after coming of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, now in the kalima, one difference has occurred. So when Qadiani is reciting the kalima now, there is one difference in kalima as compared to when Abu Bakr and Umar used to recite the kalima. What's the difference? वो ये है कि मसीह मऊद की बेसत से पहले तो मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह के मफहूम में सिर्फ आपसे पहले गुजरे अंबिया शामिल थे, मगर मसीह मऊद की बेसत के बाद मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह के मफहूम में एक रसूल की ज्यादती हो गई है. He says that when people used to recite Muhammadur Rasulullah in the kalima before Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, it was only covering those prophets who came before Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. But he said that after the coming of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, are you listening? Are you listening, Ahmadis? One prophet has added in the kalima, and that is Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. So now you tell me, is it same kalima? मोहम्मद एक रसूल की ज्यादती हो गई है. It's not ending here. Kufr will go on its pinnacles. Let's read more. लिहाजा मसीह मऊद के आने से नाउज़ बिल्लाह ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर रसूलुल्लाह का कलमा बातिल नहीं हुआ, बल्कि और भी ज्यादा शान से चमकने लग जाता है. Are you listening? Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has further glorified the shan, the status of kalima. Are you listening? When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, that was one glorification of kalima. Okay, but after Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, kalima और भी ज्यादा शान से चमकने लगा है. i.e., Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has increased the glorification of the kalima. Is it same kalima? Number one. Number two, who's better? Okay. गर्ज अब भी इस्लाम में दाखिल होने के लिए यही कलमा है. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि मसीह मऊद की आमद ने मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह के मफहूम में एक रसूल की ज्यादती कर दी है. He says that We still recite the same kalima, but now when we are reciting this kalima, one prophet has been added to the kalima. Right? It's not ending here. Let's continue. Masih Maud, are you listening? Masih Maud khud Muhammadur Rasulullah hai. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is the very Muhammad Rasulullah जो इशात इस्लाम के लिए दुनिया में दोबारा तशरीफ लाए हैं, who has come in this world a second time to preach Islam. Are you listening? इसलिए हमको किसी नए कलमा की जरूरत नहीं है. He said this is the reason. This is the reason we are not making a new kalima, because Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is Muhammadur Rasulullah. हाँ, अगर मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह की जगह कोई और आता, he says yes, if somebody else would have come instead of Muhammad Rasulullah, तो नया तो आता तो जरूरत पेश आती. He says that if, he says in the form of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, Muhammad Rasulullah himself has come a second time. So why would we need a new kalima? However, if somebody else would have come in his place, then we would need a new kalima. So i.e. 3 points about the kalima. Number 1, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has changed the kalima in both sense. Number 1, in the quantitative sense. Are you with me? Are you with me, people? Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has changed the kalima in quantitative sense by adding one prophet, and changed the kalima in qualitative sense. Kalima और शान से चमकने लगा. Can you say it is same kalima? And the reason they did not formally make a new kalima, because they believe Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is Muhammadur Rasulullah. जी अदनान भाई. अदनान भाई, your mic.
जी बिल्कुल. Sorry, mic was muted. जी absolutely. और यहाँ पर अब there is nothing left to contest here, and this is why common Ahmadis, they need to actually pause the screen, take a screenshot of all these references and read them again. Don't believe us if you don't want to. Go to your murabbis, read these references and read them all together and tell them, explain this to us. Tell us, how is this justified? How is this justified? How can a man who claims to be the actual completion of Islam of 1300 years after Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he claims all the honors, all the titles, all the characteristics of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How is he not belittling the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? How is this not belittlement? So I think the case is clear, Imtiaz Bhai. It's very, very clear. And any sincere common Ahmadi who's watching will know that we're not making this up. It's their murabbis, as the Jamaat establishment, the so-called caliphate, they have been deceiving them. They've been lying to them. Okay? I challenge you now to go to your Jamaat and ask them this question. Watch how they play games. Watch how they will do gymnastics to save you, so that you remain in the cult and keep giving them your money. What religion are they giving you? What are they actually teaching your children? What Quran are they teaching them? Okay, I'm sure they have schools here and there, okay, because they have to do some work so that they can justify the chanda they're receiving from you. The point is, you believe in someone who belittled Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was a robber, a daylight robbery, who tried to rob the prophethood of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam from him, and he will not succeed. Allah will never allow him to succeed. He was disgraced, his followers were disgraced, and anyone who follows him, and in the future, you will also be disgraced. So avoid this destruction of your souls and follow Islam, true Islam, inshallah.